Hi, I am Ashutosh. One activity that wastes millions of gallons of water is washing of cars, where millions of people lack access to clean drinking water. This is tragic. With the assistance of my committed team and your help, we will address two issues. Number one, educating car owners of metro cities to use waterless car wash and conserve millions of gallons of water. Number two, donate bio-sand water filters to schools in remote villages where school children just do not have access to clean drinking water. This noble thought came to us from our mentor, Dr. Rohit Kamath. We ask for your support and be part of a respectable cause.
Hi, I'm Rohit. Reiniger Waterless car wash is scientifically formulated with unique features. It is high lubricity liquid which makes car washing totally scratch-free. It is anti-static, which reduces accumulation of dust on painted surfaces. It has built-in water softening agent, which eliminates watermarks on the exterior. It is eco-friendly and can be used for exterior as well as interior. Our genuine thanks go with appealing Reiniger reward bundle. Thank you.
I am Pratik.
People who do not have access to clean drinking water suffer from diseases, do not have the energy to sustain themselves.
Over 500,000 children die every year from diarrhea caused by unsafe water and bad sanitation conditions. That's more than 1400 a day. Achieving universal access to safe water would save 2.5 million lives every year. The biocell filters are manufactured in India. Each filter can produce enough clean drinking, cooking and bathing water for 15 people per day. There are no ongoing costs, very little ongoing maintenance, and the filters are expected to last 25 to 30 years. Delivering clean water to school children will truly make a difference in the lives of thousands of poor rural people in India. We will set aside 40% of our profits to procure biosand filters to be donated to remote schools and villages. Join us in the journey of waterless car wash, which will provide clean drinking water. Your support will make the project come to life. Thank you.
Next to air, water is a lifeline for all of us.
We need to conserve water now.
And for our future generations.